Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to send message from Android to Android. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is you have to open your messages app on your phone, and then if you want to create new message, you have to click on contacts right here and choose the contact that you want to send message. For example, I'm going to choose this contact and just click on the contact and type your message right here like this. And if you want to attach some files, you can click on this button and you can choose what kind of attachment that you want to send by clicking on this button. Alright, and after that you can click on this button to send the message. Okay guys, that's how we can transfer message from Android to Android. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.